What is the first step I should take to improve my English? Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve. For example, speaking fluently, improving vocabulary. Practice daily. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to English practice. Read regularly. Read books, articles, and blogs in English to enhance comprehension. Watch English media. Watch movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos in English to improve listening skills. Listen to podcasts. Choose English podcasts on topics you enjoy for better listening comprehension. Use language learning apps. Download apps for English practice. Apps provide interactive learning experiences that can be very helpful. Join English classes. Enrolling in local or online English courses offers structured learning and guidance. Engage in conversations with friends or language partners to practice speaking regularly. Record yourself speaking to identify areas where you can improve. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words daily and use them in sentences. Practice writing. Writing daily journals or essays in English to improve writing skills. Use flashcards. Flashcards are a great tool for memorizing vocabulary and grammar rules. Engage on social media. Follow English speaking accounts and engage in comments. Learn idioms and phrases. Familiarizing yourself with common English expressions helps you sound more natural when speaking. Take notes. Write down new words and phrases you encounter. Practice pronunciation. Use online resources or apps designed to help you practice and perfect your pronunciation. Join language exchange programs. These programs allow you to partner with native speakers for learning, improving your speaking and listening skills. Be patient. Understand that improvement takes time and consistent effort. Use English in everyday life. Label items around your home in English to reinforce vocabulary in a practical way. Set a routine. Establish a regular study schedule for consistency. Focus on grammar. Regularly review and practice English grammar rules through exercises and quizzes. Participate in online forums to engage in discussions in English. Create mind maps. Use visual aids to connect vocabulary and concepts. Utilize online resources. Explore free online courses and materials that offer English learning resources. Join book clubs. Participate in English book clubs for discussions and insights. Practice listening to music. Analyze song lyrics and sing along. Use English in work or school. Engage with English speaking colleagues and classmates in conversation and projects. Find a mentor. Connect with a teacher or fluent speaker for guidance. Attend workshops. Look for workshops focused on specific skills like speaking or writing. Practice common scenarios. Role play everyday situations such as ordering food or making small talk to build confidence. Limit translations. Try to think in English rather than translating from your native language. Stay curious. Ask questions about new words and concepts you encounter. Be consistent. Regular practice is key to making lasting improvements. Use context clues. Practice understanding words through context instead of relying on translations. Seek feedback. Ask for constructive criticism from teachers. Play language games. Use word games and quizzes to make learning fun. Explore synonyms to expand your vocabulary. Enjoy the process. Find joy in learning and celebrate your journey towards fluency. So, last but not least, don't worry about mistakes, they are a part of the learning process. Try to make English part of your daily routine, like thinking in English or writing short sentences about your day. Remember, progress may be slow at first, but with consistent practice, you will build a strong foundation for more advanced learning.